Hello and welcome to my channel, The Differentiated Classroom, brought to you by TeachTastic Publishing. In this video, I will be showing you how to teach concrete model matching to addition sentences. There will be 5 sections that we'll be walking through today: the introduction, guiding question, teacher modeling, independent practice, and an assessment. If this is something you think you're going to be interested, go ahead and hit that like button. Stay tuned, and we're going to get started with our lesson. Hi, my name is Bren Hicks from TeachTastic Publishing, where we write scaffolded and differentiated math intervention lessons for teachers just like you. As we begin the introduction, you'll want to first start with reviewing the academic vocabulary. The academic vocabulary for this lesson is addition sentence, addition model, and concrete. Once the academic vocabulary is reviewed, you'll want to start with your first model. We're going to start with 3 orange cubes and 2 blue cubes. Connected, make an addition sentence of 3 and 2 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. As the teacher, you're going to want to discuss 3 orange cubes together on the table and then 2 blue cubes linked together next to them. Show the students clearly that you're connecting the 2 into 1. That's the 2 and 1 is concept, with the plus and equals now being represented. Write the corresponding addition sentence 3 plus 2 equals 5 on a scrap piece of paper, or like I have mine, you can do laminated post-it notes to have them more accessible. The main point of the introduction is simply to show the students that there is a concrete model of 4 and 1 and 4 and 1. It's matching that concrete model to the addition sentences with the goal of eventually removing the concrete model. Since there's only 10 possible variations for addition to 5, I've made these sticky notes to help speed the lesson along. If you would like more information on where to get the template to make these on your own, I will link in the description below. Guiding question: how does an addition sentence show the same thing as a concrete model? Let the students talk and share about their previous knowledge of addition and the concept of putting 2 objects together to form a sum. Before we segue into the next section, I'm going to ask you to post me a little note in the comments. If you're new to the channel, let me know. Tell me where you're teaching, what you're teaching. If you're a returning guest, let me know. Did you try a lesson? What'd you think of it? How did it work? Is there a lesson you'd like to see me whip up in the future? Let me know in the comments below. Teacher modeling. Say, there are 2 orange cubes and 1 blue cube. If I put them together, what addition sentence would I be modeling? Listen. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Say. This addition model shows 2 cubes first, so the first number of our addition sentence would be 2. And then there is 1 cube. So that would be our second number in our addition sentence. So I will show you how that works. Show. An addition model has 2 cubes, then 3 cubes. Say, how many cubes do I have in all? Listen. 5. Show. Break the model apart and separate it by color. Say, how many cubes do I have in the first group? Listen. 2. Show, how many cubes do I have in the second group? Listen. 3. Show. Put the addition model back together, then write the addition sentence 2 plus 3 equals 5 on a piece of paper and place it next to the model. Point back and forth between each of the numbers and cubes so that the students are making connections from objects to number representations. Say, this addition model matches this addition sentence. Say, here are 2 questions I want each of you to think about in the next part of this lesson. How many objects do I have in each group or color? Does the addition sentence make sense when you count the cubes in the model? For independent work time, read the worksheet instructions aloud, reminding the students that the highlighted words are vocabulary or instruction words. Then ask the students to read the highlighted words to you and define their meaning. Students can complete the differentiated worksheet with or without manipulative assistance based on their current level of understanding. In this particular worksheet, we have differentiated it in multiple ways, and I'm going to walk you through each one of those. There is a reduced problem set of only 4 questions with a proficiency scale of 1 for beginning, 2 for practicing, 3 for emerging, and 4 for proficient. Assessment. The summative assessment worksheet is differentiated so that it contains 4 skill-specific questions, oversized fonts and graphics, highlighted learning text, a proficiency scale for fast feedback, and a star in the top corner. Teaching tip. Have pre-printed sticky notes ready and available for demonstrating the addition sentences. If you're interested in knowing how to make these, I'll post a link in the description below to a tutorial video. If you're interested in knowing where to get the lesson plans or the worksheets that we've gone over today, I will be linking in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in seeing what we come up with next, go ahead and ring that bell and you'll get an alert when we post our next video. Hit the subscribe button and we'll see you in the next video.